Hi there, my name is Jessica Delfino. I live in New York City where I love to make crafts. I have a craft group here with some friends called Craftermath. You can find us at craftermath.blogspot.com. Today we're going to work on a very simple tri-fold card. So this card is going to be folded into 3 even parts. You can fold a card into a lot of different ways, but we are going to keep ours even. So we have our piece of paper here. I'm going to fold it in half, trying to make the edges line up as best as possible, give it a nice crease. Some people use their thumbnail or their finger to crease. You can also use a pen to get a really nice flat crease. Okay, so then I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to fold it into 3s. Now you can do this with a ruler if you like, but come on. I like to do things by eye. That's how I do them. So basically, I'm going to divide this piece of paper into 3 folds. The first one is going to fold over to be about the same size as the piece remaining. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just give it a little bit of a crease there and then go over and see how close you are. Okay, so I'm just going to backtrack a little bit, bring it back a little bit, just to make it a little more even. And there we go. So now once I'm happy with my crease, I'm going to take my pen, give it a nice tight fold there, and bring the other piece over to also have a nice solid fold. And then you can go around the edges, make it nice and sharp everywhere. And then you can get to decorating your tri-fold card. Happy crafting.